question says simplify. We got an open bracket. We have 64 x to the power of 6 all over 25 y to the power of 2 close bracket to the power of minus half. Okay, let's write out the question. We have open bracket here. 64 x to the power of 6 all over 25 y to the power of 2 close the bracket. We have a minus half. Now, the first thing we deal with is the negative there. We need to remove it. So let's deal with that. Now, to remove the negative, we're going to go for the reciprocal. We're going to bring the 25 to the top. And then we're going to bring the 64 to the bottom. Okay, so with the 25, you got y there, to the power of 2. And to the 64, you got x to the power of 6. So you have your open bracket, you have your close bracket, and then you have your half. Now, the minus or the negative is gone. So that's the first step. The second step is we need to deal with this denominator here too, which is going to square everything. So therefore, let's come here. So that means we're going to square root everything. We got 25 on the top there, and we got a y to the power of 2, and then we divide in, and then we got 64 x to the power of 6. Now, if we break this into two parts, that means we're looking for the square root of 25, and then y to the power of 2. Okay, good. And at the bottom, we got what? The square root of 64 x to the power of 6. Good. So what's the square root of 25? That's going to be a 5. Beautiful. So what's the square root of y squared? That's going to be a y. That means we got what? Y times y. And you look, it's going to be a y. Good. So that means it's going to be a y. Good. And then for the square root of 64, that's going to be an 8. You've got an x there. And x, we have 6 of it. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're looking for the square root of that. So that's going to be 2's. Good. So this is x here, this is x there, this is x there, and x times x times x will give it x to the power of 3. So this is going to be x to the power of 3. Good. Let's tidy up. So this is just to show you how we got to x to the power of 3. Good. You don't need to write this in your workings. If you do, you're going to deduct your marks. So here we have our answer. Our answer is what? Answer here is 5y all over 8x to the power of 3. Beautiful.